Folks, we're in Montrose, Colorado, and we've got this 1969 International. We're going to put it up on auction time. The gentleman that's consigned this to us used to use it as a truck that he used to move houses with, and he's done some modifications to it, and we'll sure point those out to you. But this is just overall a very, very clean single axle day cab. And so just want to kind of walk around and show you guys so you can see kind of what the body condition of the truck is. Look at the tires and the suspension under it and that kind of stuff. And we'll step up into the cab as well so you can see that. So we'll just start up here on the front corner of the little truck. The gentleman that has it, he did replace the front axle in this. It does have power steering now, which makes the truck really easy to drive. We took it for a test drive just now, and it's got a 4-in-4 transmission in it. I'm not very adept at shifting that, but it kind of got a little bit easier as we were going. But he did put power steering in it, which really makes the truck easy to drive. And it's got air suspension under the back that we'll show you here in a little bit, which really makes the truck ride nice. So just an overall nice all-around truck here. You can see we've got aluminum rims on the front, 275/70 R22.5 tires with really good tread, good deep tread on them. You'll see that the truck has good rubber all the way around, guys. We've got a few cracks on the front of the fender here, but nothing extraordinary. It could easily be patched or repaired if you guys wanted to do that. We took this for about a 6 or an 8 mile test drive, and the little truck, it starts and runs right up to 175 degrees, and it just stays right there, guys. It runs good. The motor sounds good. It's got a 671 Detroit diesel in it, and the little motor runs good. It's got a 2-stage Jake on it. We did test the Jake brake out. It works fine. So again, just a nice setup on this truck. You'll see in some...
The motor is turbo.
Oh, and it does, yes.
Blower and a turbo.
Yeah, the motors, they came standard with the blower, and they also put a turbo on this, and we got pictures of that, so you should be able to see that in the pictures. So just a nice running little truck, a snappy little truck to drive down the highway. And because of that transmission they've got in it and the way they've got it geared, lots of low range gears in this truck because they need a lot of power and torque in order to move those homes. So that's kind of how that transmission is set up. But we were running 60 miles an hour right with traffic down the road. So just a good setup on that little truck in general.